In this video, we are going to discuss about how Amazon is automating the world. Amazon isn't just an online store, it's a tech powerhouse reshaping how we shop and work. From humble beginnings selling books, Amazon now uses robots, AI, and automation to deliver millions of packages daily, often within a day. Its obsession with speed and efficiency is setting the standard for global commerce. Inside its warehouses, technology and humans work side by side, creating a new model for modern business. The innovations Amazon pioneers don't stay in-house. They ripple across industries, changing jobs and economies everywhere. Automation is at the heart of Amazon's strategy, allowing it to promise lightning-fast delivery. By studying Amazon, we glimpse the future of work, how humans and machines collaborate, what new jobs emerge, and how we must adapt. The company's choices today will shape how millions earn a living tomorrow. Amazon is more than a retailer. It's a blueprint for the next era of technology-driven society. Understanding its tech journey is understanding the future itself. Let's see how Amazon's innovations are rewriting the rules. Step into an Amazon fulfillment center and you'll see robots like the orange Pegasus units gliding across the floor, moving entire shelves to human workers. These robots, acquired with Kiva Systems, have revolutionized warehouse logistics, letting Amazon store more inventory and speed up order processing. Humans now focus on picking and packing, while robots handle the heavy lifting and endless movement. Robotic arms like Robin and Sparrow sort millions of items, and conveyor belts route packages with precision. Automation eliminates delays, making next-day delivery possible. The warehouse is a symphony of machines and people, each playing a role in Amazon's promise of speed. This blend of robotics and human skill is the engine behind Amazon's efficiency. It's not science fiction, it's the present, and it's spreading fast. Amazon's factory floor is a glimpse of tomorrow's workplace. Amazon's vision for delivery is taking flight. Literally. Prime Air drones aim to deliver packages in 30 minutes or less, bypassing traffic and slashing delivery times. These autonomous drones use advanced sensors to avoid obstacles and land safely in your yard. Drone delivery could cut costs, reduce emissions, and redefine convenience. Amazon is already testing drones in select US towns, gathering data to improve the service. Regulatory and technical hurdles remain, but each flight brings the future closer. Prime Air is Amazon's boldest bet yet on instant gratification. The sky's the limit for what comes next. If robots are Amazon's muscles, AI is the brain. AI predicts what you'll buy, moves inventory closer to you, and choreographs robots and humans in real time. It analyzes sales, trends, and even weather to forecast demand and optimize stock. Inside warehouses, AI directs every movement, reducing wait times and boosting productivity. For deliveries, AI maps the fastest routes, saving time and fuel. Without AI, Amazon's scale would be impossible. It's the silent force making one-day shipping a reality. From your first click to your doorstep, AI is in command. Amazon's edge is its invisible intelligence. This is the future of logistics. Smart, fast, and always learning. With automation rising, what happens to Amazon's workers? Jobs aren't vanishing, they're evolving. Humans now work alongside machines, using tech to boost productivity and learning new skills. Amazon invests in training and education, preparing employees for tech-driven roles, even outside the company. But the pace is intense, and AI tracks performance, raising questions about job quality and well-being. The challenge: balancing efficiency with humanity. The future of work means humans and machines as partners, not rivals. Adaptability, creativity, and problem solving will matter most. Amazon's story is a preview of how we'll all work tomorrow. If you liked it, tap that like and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.